Hey there, what are today's messages? And what do we need to hear today? Let's pick some cards and see what pops out today. Escapism. Detach from daily struggles and relax, but don't use it as a form of avoidance. Relaxation, facing reality. Avoidance. It's key to see the need to avoid discomfort, but also to overcome it and thrive. Confrontation and progress. And what else do we need to hear today? My future is glorious. How about yours? I now live in the limitless love, light, and joy. All is well in my world. And the last card for today before we go to our quotes. Listen, your inner child has something to say. And today's quotes. No work is stressful. It is your inability to manage your body, mind, and emotions that make it stressful. Sadhguru. Growth requires us to leave something behind. It could be our habits, beliefs, mindsets, careers, and even people. Your words make your reality. If you don't like your reality, change your words. How are you in the moment? Both mentally and emotionally manifest in every action that you perform. And the last one today. People with essential nutrient deficiencies have 30% higher risk of depression. Shift your diet and take targeted supplements, such as magnesium, vitamin D, calcium, omega-3, zinc, iron, iodine, selenium. Alrighty. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.